Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video, I will show you how to create a webinar in Payfunnels. To create a webinar, go to the events under the calendar, click on the Add button, and select Webinar. Now, enter the title and add the description. Here, this booking URL is automatically generated based on the title. You can change this name in the URL with the name of your choice. Now, select the webinar duration from available options or add a custom duration. Here, add team members to create a similar event for them. Set the date and time for the webinar. And select the location from Google Meet, Zoom, address, or a custom meeting link. If you choose address, then enter the address details. Let's choose Google Meet here. Now select the webinar type. It can be one-time or recurring webinar. Here, add the number of seats you want to allow to register for this event. Select the paid option and enter the amount to make this event chargeable. And enable tax if required. Choose this option to make this event public. And choose this option to make this event active or inactive. In the end, set the reminder duration for this meeting and add a cancellation policy if this webinar is paid. That's it. You can see that a new event has been created. You can copy and share this webinar link with your audience to book their seats. Thanks for watching this video.